Facts about English alphabet. Today I would like to share with you some facts about English alphabet.
Lady, let's go!
English is the sky language.
Why, Mama? Do letters fly in sky?
No, world's all pilots speak in English on international flights.
26 letters, more than 40 sounds.
We all know that there are 26 letters of English alphabet. But do we know these 26 letters of English alphabet make up to more than 40 distinct sounds? Isn't it interesting? Yeah, it's make this language interesting. The sound of C is different in car, whereas the sound of C in city. Let's move on to another fact. We all know the letter I, but do we know what we call the dot over the letter I?
It's called tittle. Go!
Go is the shortest grammatically correct sentence in English language.
W.
It's W.
Pangram.
Pangram is a sentence which contains all the 26 letters of English alphabet. More facts. Most commonly used letter is
E.
and least
Z.
Do you know? Pronunciation is the word which is most mispronounced in the English language. That's all for today.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not shy to share with your friends. Show and love.